Hey fam, welcome to JACKSSANCHEZTV. It's your girl Jax with this everyday summer inspired glam. Hope you guys enjoy. Now that my skin is prepped, I couldn't be more excited to share this new product by my faves at Henriksen. They have just launched their very first makeup product, the Banana Bright Face Primer. Inspired by the iconic Banana Bright eye cream, this face primer hydrates, radiates, it can be used in so many different ways. It's packed with vitamin C, and because of the banana powder inspired pigments, it just gives the skin an instant brightening effect, and it's just perfect for, under your foundation as a primer, mixed in with your foundation. And it's a great touch-up product throughout the day as well. So yeah, I'm just putting that all over my skin. You can see it gives me an instant glow. I'm just obsessed with this. Henriksen constantly raising the bar. Now that the skin is primed and ready for all the slayage that is about to happen, I'm going in with this new fade foundation of mine. I've been using the Hourglass Vanish foundation in the shade Golden for the past few weeks now, and I'm just obsessed. I'm just using a pump and a half of the foundation, and I'm also going to mix in a pump of the Ulla face primer. This won't affect the coverage too much. The primer will just help the consistency of the foundation. It'll just help it to glide over my face a little bit better, and it just gives me more of a radiant finish. And using a fluffy kind of foundation brush to really push that into the skin. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. Just a few dots under my eyes just to help brighten my tired face. Like, look how bugged I am. My eyes are like full red. Yeah, and just using a little cute dirty sturdy sponge just to blend that all in. I'm going to put some of that concealer over my eyes and use that as an eye primer as well. Setting powder using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr loose powder in the shade Banana, and going in with that same dirty sturdy sponge, just setting my under eyes. I freaking love this powder. I've been using it ever since I received it a few weeks back, and I've been using it every single day, all day, every day. This eye look is so simple. I'm using the Sigma X Beautybird Dream Palette. All I use are two eyeshadows. I'm just going in with Carmelito on a fluffy brush, just placing that in my crease, and then using my fingers, going in with this beautiful gold shade, just packing that onto my lid, and that's pretty much it. And then going in with that same fluffy brush, just blending out the edges, and now grabbing a big massive face powder brush and just brushing off the excess powder on my face. Marc Beauty's Tan-tastic bronzer. It's my favorite product for contouring, just lightly adding this to the hollows of my cheeks and the perimeters of my face. And now just using a flat shader brush and going in with that same shade that we put in our crease, Carmelito, just smoking at my bottom lash line. Using Nyx Wonder Pencil on my waterline just to help brighten up my eyes. I do feel like my eyes are really tired, so that's a really good tip and trick to use if you want your eyes to look a bit more awake. Now just putting on some mascara. You can use any mascara. At the moment I've been using the Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. It's pretty good. It's super waterproof, very difficult to take off, so you do need like an oil-based remover to remove it all off. For lashes, I wanted something super wispy but natural. This is by Quartzbeauty. This is owned by an influencer friend of mine. Her name is Crystal. You killed it. These are my favorite lashes at the moment. I'm wearing them every day. I just love, 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 love them. Now I'm going in with a little bit more of that Banana Bright face primer, just the tiniest little dot, placing this on the tops of my cheeks. This would just help prime or just prepare for my highlight, really. You could leave it at that and it just gives you like a beautiful sheen, but I just love doing this step before my highlight because it just helps my highlight to look like it's coming from within, as opposed to powder on top. It just makes it look really healthy and dewy. So my go-to lip at the moment is MAC's lip liner in the shade Spice. I'm just lining my lips up and filling in the sides, leaving the middle part of my lips bare, and then going in with Fenty Beauty's Unbuttoned Stunner Lip right in the center and just blending that out with my fingers. And that pretty much concludes the look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this everyday kind of glam. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this look. Thanks guys, catch you in my next video. Bye!